really, really good session. There we go. And then it said met everybody there. Brilliant. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be looking at 101 UX. I'd love for you to take part. If you don't want to, that's totally cool. You can sit back and drink a beer. That's totally cool. But let's have some fun. Let's join in. Let's do this together. All right. So if you follow me, I'd love for you all to click on my photo on Figma Jam, top right-hand corner, and you should all pop into here. And let me just share the link again, just to make sure everyone's got that link. And there we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so do you want to follow me with the little footsteps? Follow me. Let's follow the footsteps. There we go. How far does these go? Oh my God. Hello. What is that? Ladies and gentlemen, our first task. What a first task I want you to do is, could you put your name and then a picture of an animal that represents you? Preferably, and you know, don't put anything naughty. Yeah. Haha, who's trying to select my things? You cannot. So all you need to do is press the T, click, put your name, and then find a nice picture on the internet. I'm going to find a mongoose just because it just came to my mind. So find a picture on the internet and then put it next to your name. It can be anything. And just copy and paste like that. All right. So just copy and paste and put it there. So put your name.
For some reason, we can't type. For some reason, I don't know if
No problem. So let's have a look. Let's make everybody an editor. There we go. There we go. It's supposed to be already like that. Has anybody like never used Figma Jam before? Because it is awesome. There we go. You should all be able to edit in just a second. Gradually getting through everybody's names. Oh, there we go. I nearly made Nan the owner then. All right.
Okay, cool.
That'd be a bit too much pressure for you there, I think. There we go. Oh, who's the unicorn? Who's the unicorn?
Me.
Nice. Unicorns are awesome. Unicorns are awesome. I think that's everybody as an editor. Ha ha! Look at that. Look at that. All right, let's copy this. There we go. There we go. We've got more people coming. Nice. More people coming. This is good. This is good. Priya, how are you doing? Nice to see you. Thank you so much for all your hard work recently. Love it.
Just setting up here. Sorry, my computer's for some reason the camera's not working, and I was using my daughter's one. So
no. Oh, did you just kick your daughter off of her computer?
No, she's gone to bed, so that's all good.
Oh. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, if anybody would like to record the session as well, you are more than welcome. Any content from this, you're more than welcome to hit record. So yeah, feel free. All right. But I warn you, you will be recording my jokes. Okay. Oh, who's an octopus? Sasha. Sasha. Boo. Bell. I love that picture. Love that picture. Brendan, is that you? Oh,
Carl.
Yes, sir.
I need permission to record.
You need permission to record. No problem. There you go. You're now a co-host.
Great. Thank you.
Share your screen. So you should be able to see. I'll tell you what, I'll share my screen as well. I think that's been a request. And there we go. And there we go. Just in case you can't see. All right. Awesome. Okay, guys. Oh, look at the koala. I love it. I love it, but it's a bit big. Nan, I like that one. Boo. Tull. Oh, cute. Very nice. Anybody who's the big massive koala? There you go. Oh, is that Zach? Zach, where are you? I know you. Beam is a llama. That's awesome. I love llamas. All right, I'm going to ask you to stop in about 1 minute's time. I'm going to ask you to stop in about 1 minute's time. See, now I've shared my screen. I can't see Zoom. All right. We're doing well. There we go. Let's get the chat open. Nice. Okay, and then let's do everyone there. Brilliant. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We've got some pandas. We've got some Kevin. You're an elephant. Sweet. All right. We've got that one. Pop. Ah, very cute. Very nice. Very, very nice. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining. And really, really nice to see one. Oh, oi. Oh, I love that. Oi, that's awesome. Okay, Jan, because I'm cute and chubby. Oh, so good. I love it. Brilliant. Brilliant. Oh, got some pandas. Awesome. Hey, who's that? Who's that? Who's moving all my stuff? How did you do that? All right, good. Okay, guys, now I've got a little task for you. It's a fun task. So join me up here. So click on my name, please. Click on my name. How do you stop? How do I stop you doing that? Hold on. Yeah, how do I stop people moving this around? Anyway, good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what I want to do is the first lesson about UX. Now, one of the things about UX is there's a big thing with regards to time, about energy, and about your skills. So what I want to do is a little game. What we're going to do is I'm going to do a timer. All right, so I'm going to ask Mr. Google here. So 10-second timer. In fact, no, we'll do 60 seconds first. 60-second timer, like this. There we go. Now, hold on just a minute. Good. Now, what I want you to do, ladies and gentlemen, is I just want you to, you don't need to change it to your name, but just find one of these boxes for you, all right? And I want you to put your face on one of those boxes, and how you do that is using the stamp tool, which is just at the bottom. Grab and then just put a stamp around like that, and you can actually click and hold if you want to make it bigger. So just put a stamp next to one thing there, okay? So just to make sure it's yours. It's like, this is mine, go away. All right, guys? All right. Excellent. Good, good, good. So quickly find your one, okay? All right. Okay, now what we're going to do is this. We're going to do a little task, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be quite fun. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw Spider-Man. But we're only going to do it in 1 minute. You've only got 1 minute to draw Spider-Man, okay? So get the pen on the bottom left so you can start to draw. And I'm going to give you 60 seconds. So zoom in, and we're going to draw Spider-Man the best we can in 60 seconds. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go. Okay, so let's have a see of these Spider-Mans. Oh yeah, Trip on, she's doing well. Oh, Kevin, in the 60 seconds, please. So do it in the 60 seconds one. Doing really well. Come on. Okay, who's that? Nanani. That's good. Okay, Marley.
I'm not good with drawing.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. None. None. Oh, yeah, he's got the eyes there. None. Well done. Well done. Well done. This is good. This is good. Supercha. She's doing well. There we go. Looks like Spider-Man needs a bit of a poo, though. It looks like his legs are open there. May's coloring in now. Oh, okay. How much time we've got, ladies and gentlemen? We've got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Stop. Stop cheating. Superchat, stop cheating. Stop it. Brendan, I see you. I see you. Okay, guys, let's have a look at some of these designs, shall we? Okay, so we're going to move around. We've got there. This is not a bad one. Not a bad one there, top right. This one here, I don't know who this is by, but it looks very, very good. Someone's cheating there. Right. Okay. Okay, Johnny, that one's not bad. Not bad. What is that? What is this? Oh my God. That's the best one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, next time we're going to do the 30 seconds one. All right, so let's do 30 seconds and start. Okay, go. Do your 30 seconds one now. 30 seconds, please, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay, and that's, oh, some funky eyes there. Nice, nice. Okay, let's just share the link again. Okay, Top B, you are now editor. Intidar, you're now editor. And Priya, you're now editor. Stop! Stop, everybody. Stop, 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 stop. Oh my God. Priya, stop it. That's the 10-second one. Priya, stop it. All right, good. So Shades, this is very good. Kevin, this is looking good. I think, who's the top one? Who's this top one here? Who's this? Is that None? None, you're doing very well.
It's not me. No, I'm not.
Very good.
No, it's me. It's me.
It's getting it's very nice. You're the only one who's colored in. Well done. All right. Okay, good. Now, the best one. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? 10 seconds. Dare you do it? You ready? Go. 10 seconds. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yay!
Okay. Stop. Stop. Who did this one? Who's this one? Pisha. Pisha. That's the best one. Look at this one. This is brilliant. That's absolutely brilliant. I love that. Zach, what happened, Zach? My God, what is that? Excellent. Guys, you've done really, really well. But the question is, why am I asking you to do this? All right. Why am I asking you to do this? Well, the reason is I want you to do this is because it shows you with UX, if you have more time, if you have enough resources, you can do very, very interesting research and very interesting design. But as your resources and as your time becomes less, that means you have to do what you can. And that might be writing the words Spider-Man. That might be writing, showing an actual picture of a little tiny spider. So this is what is really, really interesting to me is UX design is about discovering. It's about doing the best you can with the time you have and the resources available. Does that make sense? And if it does make sense, can you click top right-hand corner, emote, and then do a clap or a smile or a love, and just give me some love. So you can click on the top right-hand corner. All right. Give me some love. Nice. Yeah, very good. Or you can click on the stamp. And if you click on this, there you go. Yay. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. Excellent, guys. Excellent. You're doing really, really well. All right. So now you've got the idea of what UX is. So the idea is if you have more time, you can do more things. And that's something I really want to tell beginners, because a lot of beginners thinking, well, if I am doing UX, I need to be able to design everything. I need to be able to research everything. And that's not the case. All right. So any questions before we go any further? Any questions, Mike?
No.
Good. All right, guys, follow me. Down, 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 down. Right. Okay. So I want to talk to you a little bit about some of my favorite apps. All right, guys. So who's got their voice on? I think someone's, there we go. That's cool. All right. So what we're going to do, there we go. Not a question, but can we unmute our microphones? Yeah, if you want to. Excellent, guys. Well done. So my favorite apps are, so there's three things that I love. So three favorite apps because of the user experience. One of my first is called Notion. And Notion allows me to use it how I want. It allows me to you know, collect all my information. It allows me to do project management. It allows me to do a wiki, web design, anything I want to do, I can use it. Highly recommend it. And the great thing about the user experience is the UI is very easy to use. Second app that I love the user experience is Headspace. Headspace is a wonderful app to help you with meditation and mindfulness, and just the way that they give you these beautiful, simple screens and these wonderful illustrations really make you want to go further. And it makes things very, very, very interesting. All right, guys. So the idea is when you're thinking about a user experience is, you know, how do you feel? Do you like it? Is it nice? Is it easy to use? The next one we've got is called Fastil. And I use that because I do intermittent fasting because I've got bigger boobs than my wife. And she's asking me to lose some weight. So that's cool. And I use Fastly because it's very, very easy. My question for you, ladies and gentlemen, what's your favorite app? So what I'd like you to do is I'd love for you to just fill this area with screenshots of your favorite app. How do you do that? Type into Google your favorite app name and just copy and paste the picture here. Okay, guys? So what I'm asking you to do is copy and paste one of your favorite apps here. Okay, so it might be Facebook app or Pinterest. Say Pinterest app. All right, so just do Pinterest app and then copy and then just paste like this. Just make it a bit smaller. And I'd like you to fill this area with lots and lots and lots of beautiful apps for me, please. Go, go, go. Just in case anyone needs this. Okay, this is the link. Oi! What's Wendy doing? This is good, guys. This is really, really, really good. What's this one? Oh, nice. Harriet likes Notion. Nice. He likes it so much, he's put it twice. What's this one? Read a Write. I don't know that one. Looks good. Looks good. Oh, Spotify. Very, very nice. Oh, what's this one? Medium chance of getting pregnant. Ah, nice. This is good. Very good if you want to start a family. Very nice. Excellent, excellent. Also, this one very good for boyfriends in case you're wondering why someone's in a bad mood. All right. Okay, what's this one? You like? Cool. Oh, food. Oh, I'm hungry. Don't show me that. None. What she's got this one? Bumble date. Really? Niha, this one's a good one. This is really nice. Legit. What's this one? This one looks good. Really clean design. Really nice design on that one. I like it. I love the colors. Nice. Okay, just a few more minutes, guys. Asana. Oh, scary. Yes. All right. All right. Good. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Make sure everyone can edit. Excellent. You're doing really, really well. Oh, some balloons. Toy Blast. I don't know that one. Bear App. Browsersaurus. What's that? All right. Good, good. Okay, guys, let's see. You need a bit more time, maybe a little bit more time. Behance is an absolute brilliant one. Oh, Shazam. Shazam. That's a good one. Oh, Netflix, of course. I think that's a redesign, actually. That looks like a redesign. I haven't seen that design before. I think that's a redesign. Looks good, though. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. What's this one, Alaya? Robin Hood. Oh, someone likes money. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, guys. So let's stop there. Let's have a look at this. All right. So we've got things like Kraken. This one's a really, really nice one. Pinterest. I love Pinterest. So easy to use and things like this. Now, 101 UX. Where does it start? And this is what I try and teach all of our students at our academy, which is called Web Courses Bangkok. When I teach anybody how to do UX, one of the first things I say is once you start to learn UX, I want you to have two eyes. You're going to have two eyes for the rest of the time that you are learning UX. One eye is about doing what you're doing, okay? It's about clicking and doing whatever you need to do. But the other eye should always be looking for inspiration. So is it about Kraken? Is it about the beautiful illustrations? Is it about the mosaic design of Pinterest? Is it about the beautiful custom illustrations from Headspace? Is it the simplicity of Spotify and how it recommends things to you? Is it about Netflix and how it also recommends other things for you to look at? Is it about the app or PC from getting pregnant? Does it make it easy? Is it clear? Is it friendly? Does it look female? You know, does it apply to you as a female? Is it Notion and how it's easy to create a world that you want? Whatever it might be, ladies and gentlemen, always have two eyes. One eye, do what you're doing, and the other eye is looking for inspiration. So even now, I'm looking at this, I'm doing some projects, and I'm going to remember this. I like Kraken, I like Bear App, I like Brilliant.org, and I really like Shazam. So this is the idea of being something with regards to UX is about looking at the experience of what you're using day to day. Okay, let's give it some emotions. If you like that advice, give me some emotions, some love or unhappy, a clap. How are you feeling, guys? Show me the love. Show me the love. I think most people are like, how do you do that? Good, you're doing so well. This is great. Well done, guys. Well done. Excellent, excellent. Okay, time to go. Next place. Da-da-da-da. Follow me. We're going up here now. Da-da-da-da. Right. So the next thing we want to look at. So if you are a little bit lost, just click on my face. You'll see my face at the bottom there. Sorry, the top right hand corner. So just click on that and then you'll be able to join us. All right. So let me just share this with everybody again. Excellent. You're doing really, really well. All right, guys. So now what I'd like you to do is we're going to put some post-it notes. Now you're welcome to use any color you want, but now what I want you to do is start to put some post-it notes of what you like about the experience of the app or website that you just put down. So for example, with Headspace, I like the feeling of the UI makes me feel relaxed. So even using that is relaxed, okay? So just put as many as you can. I'll give you a couple of minutes just to put in some ideas of what you like. Good time to have a drink if you've got one. Wow, we've got so many people. We've got 35 people in the Zoom meeting, but only 22 on Figma Jam. So I'll post the link again to everybody. So join us on Figma Jam. We get to be, yeah. This is good. This is good. So put as many as you can, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, put the Kevin, put the title of the app as well for me, mate. Just to let me know. So yeah, put the title of the app, that'll help. Pinterest, nice. GTR Pond. Kraken. This is good, this is good. Now, even by doing this, even by thinking about what you like, even by just thinking about what makes a good experience is going to start you thinking about what UX is. Now, later in this webinar, a little bit later, we are going to be going down and we're going to be looking at the 13 steps I use to work with some of the biggest companies in the world, like Facebook, with Adobe, with some big banks, which I'm not allowed to say. I don't think I am. And this is what has helped me with every project. So even though we're doing something simple, just thinking about the user experience will really make a difference. Cool. I'll give you a few more minutes. Come on, guys. Everybody put something. Bear up. This is good. If you finished, read some other people's. Have a look at what they're saying. You choose. Nice. Nice. I don't know that one. Nice. Good. Good, good, good. All right. Few more minutes. Few more minutes. Priya, yeah. Go, go, go. Fit on. Love the way that they have put categories for the different workouts from Priya there. App PC, easy to use from Junji there. Thank you. Panda, reader write, simple to use, good place to find good fiction. Nice. Thank you, Panda. We've got Pisasha. She says, Bumble, straight to the point and have useful filter. Generate text more engage. Really good. I thought that's I thought that said Blockbuster then. Movie Tinder. What's that? Pisha. Oh, what's that? I have to check that out. Good. Everyone's doing really, really well. Well done. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at what you've got. Asana, nice. So Kevin says it saved my life a few times. Yeah, and probably caused some deaths as well. Same on UI as desktop and mobile. That's a really nice point. If you're doing a user experience and it's an app that you flip from desktop to app, it's very, very, very important for that to be the same experience or similar. Now, app experience and desktop experience is very, very different, but having the same feel is very, very important. You choose credit card app. It looks simple and friendly to use by Shade. Thank you for that one. Also, Browsersaurus. Let me choose the browser. Nice. I'll have to check that out. I think a lot of people like, ooh, Browsersaurus. Oh, what's that? Legit app. Good instructions, step by step, clear UI. Only uses color. Can prove the fake or real product. Nice. Increase value of product and user. Oh, really nice. Robinhood, clean UI, easy to follow, and others lot for local food. Brilliant. Okay, we've got the Line application because it's really easy to use. Simple navigation. Thank you, none. Thank you, none. Spotify by Zach, easy to navigate, dark color scheme, and has lots of Justin Bieber songs. Nice. I don't know why that's an important part of UX, but never mind. Duolingo from Tiwa. At helping people continually practice language. Nice. Oh, where's that gone? Hannah, I can see you. What's that? Whoa, you've done loads. Which, Harriet, what app is that, my friend? Can you let us know which app that is, my friend?
The first one is Fastic.
Oh yeah.
Fastic. I also do a lot. I have been doing a lot of intermittent fasting for like 2 years already. So I've been using this app for like more than 6 months, and it's been very helpful to me. And it's
great.
Jumps straight to the fasting option, and there's like a lot of stuff to learn about food, fast, and everything around this. And the second one is Notion, so you can basically organize your whole life in it, and there's no constraint. They don't have any constraint in Notion. And the third one is CoinMarketCap. If any of you are investing in cryptocurrency, I'm pretty sure you might know CoinMarketCap. So it's like a very easy way to look at how each coins are doing. They show like top 10 performing coins. You can create your own portfolio or track your own portfolio for you. You can add your watch list. There's news and everything in it. So it's like
awesome.
Very straightforward. So if you want to look the screenshot of each app, you can follow my mouse. It's down here.
Oh yeah.
The CoinMarketCap.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh yeah, okay, got it. Okay, nice. Hey, so thank you so much, Harriet. Thank you for sharing, my friend. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, the next thing I want to do is I'd like you to vote actually on ones that you like. So what I'd like you to do is give it a little bit of a thumbs up. So read some of these and just give them a little bit of a thumbs up if you feel there. And I'm only going to give you 3 votes. So you've only got 3 votes. So you can't click like a million times. And if you want to vote, you just click on the stamp icon at the bottom, and then you'll see all of the ways to vote. So you can do hearts if you want. Yeah. So let's vote now. Okay. You got this, guys. You got this. All right. Good. Okay, keep on voting. Pinterest is popular. Look at that. Pinterest is popular. Kraken as well. Behance as well. Sorry, Harriet, I put way too many of those. Duolingo is a big plus. Awesome. All right. Okay, we got there. Priya's up there. Nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now, there's a reason I wanted you to vote. Doing the voting like this is a tool that we use when we do something called a design sprint. I'd love to do a lesson on those as well, on design sprints, because they're really good. And I'd highly recommend, if you're working in a team, try and put some visuals like screenshots that we've done, then ask people to explain what the reason behind that, and then ask them to vote. It's a very simple bang, 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 easy UX research tip. Put some visuals, explain them, vote. Highly recommend. Very, very useful. That's a cool. How did you do that? Who made that? That's awesome. All right, guys, doing really, really well. Time for the next thing. Follow me. Follow me. Oh, we go down, 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 down. Ah, there we go. Who's that? Okay. Right. Who's moved? Who just moved that then? Stop moving it. Who's that? Who's moving it? How are you? No, stop moving it. How are you able to do that? I locked it. Anyway. Lock. There we go. Good. Okay, guys. So now what I want you to do is we're at number 5. I want to show you what UX looks like. Okay. So let's have a look at this. So what you're seeing here is, I want you to zoom in and have a look at this. You've got Let Me Refresh and Let Me Old. So this is an app that my colleague and I, Matthias, who runs our consultancy with me, and he and I redesigned this app. And now originally what we had was a nice, simple app, but it lacked a little bit of love. It needed some like an experience that would help people move through. Because there was one thing that we found with this app was the founders and the developers and all of the team, they loved it so much, but they knew it too well. Now, this is a big thing that happens with user experience, is you assume that people know what to do and where to go. Ladies and gentlemen, they don't. They have no idea. One of the biggest things that I can see from the things above is it's easy to use. And one of the things that makes something easy to use as a good user experience is knowing where to go next. If I can give you one tip for UX 101, one tip, it's just telling people where to go next. So if you look at this screen here, where I am, okay, we're looking at this Harvest restaurant here. So if you have a look at that, you'll see that, hold on, let's just do this. You'll see that we can put in this little button here. All right, so you can see this button here, right? There it is. Now, why do you think that's a different color? The reason is it highlights where to go. And all the way through the new designs, you see that same color. You see that same color for all of the call to actions. Now, if you look at the other version, the older version, they don't have that. It changes and it can be confusing. So does that make sense, guys? Yeah. If it makes sense, give me a smile or a happy or something or a clap. If it makes sense, yay, this is good. All right. So a little lesson, UX 101 is always assume that people don't know where to go and you need to tell them. That's one of the biggest things about user experience is guiding your user to their goal. Now, below, you'll see that we also designed a Fintech app. All right, so this is a banking app that we did for a UK challenger bank. And you can see how Matthias was the one who designed this, and he did it beautifully. It's very, very easy to see. It's easy to use. He's got some nice headings on here, and it's very, very, very simple. All right, guys. So what I'd like you to do on these screens, can you vote with a picture or a star or anything like that? Which one you feel is the best screen? So just give me a little quick vote. Which do you feel is the best screen on this last Liquid app? Doing really well, guys. You're doing really, really well. Proud of you. Proud of you. Dimitri, you can now edit, and Pachara, you can now edit. You can join in now. Sorry about that. I didn't know that you couldn't edit. Everyone likes the money one. That's cool. Harriet, oh, he wants the card there. All right. Okay, good. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've just asked you to do some user research. So what I'm doing, this is a great example of showing some screens that have similar information. But what we do is we get people to vote. Now, look, we're in a new world. It's a new world with COVID and the pandemic, and well, the same thing. And this new world means that we need to be online. I highly recommend using tools like Figma Jam to take part in what you do and make it more interactive. All right, guys? Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. You're doing really well. This is good. I'm having fun. I don't know about you. All right, follow me. Follow me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Up we go to this. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So no matter the size of the project, no matter what it is, I use this same thing. Anybody who knows me and has been to my school, you've probably seen this before. So this is my 13 steps, okay? This is my 13 steps on how to create this. Right, so now what I want you to do, so now what I want you to do, guys, is we're just gonna go through this step, right? And we got brainstorming first. So if you have a UX project and it's the first thing you need to do, number one is just brainstorm. Question about that is how you do it. Well, we'll look at that in a minute. The next stage we're going to be looking at is we want to be able to do some user research. So asking people what they want. Do people know what they want? Not always, but what you can do is learn from that, which is really, really great. The next thing we can do is things like user tasks. Now, user tasks are very, very important because it means if we don't allow people, to, hold on, there we go. Are you okay there?
Record.
Oh, hello. Right. So the user task is things like send an email, find a song, create a document, whatever it might be. And as long as you're always focused on that, so it doesn't matter where you're going, you're always pointing people towards the goals that they want to do, you'll be happy. Next one is a user flow, and that is the journey. If the user task is the destination, a user flow is the journey. Now, we can also explain a journey like this. Yes, I went to Mongolia and I came back. All right, okay, so my user task, go to Mongolia. The user flow, car, and then I got on a train, and then I got on a plane, and then I got on a car, etc. What is the story behind it? How did I feel? What did I see? Who did I talk to? How did I interact with something? So a user story is something that I really, really love writing, and it gives you context and warmth and lovely information about your user flow. And then now you're doing that, you've got your user task, you can start to look at the story and pull out the little parts where you need to go, the pages, the slides, whatever it might be, and that's a sitemap. Now, when you've done that, for example, if you've got, this, you can start to then go into each of those screens and think about what are the jigsaw puzzles that make up that screen. What are the things I need to put on that screen to get people to the next stage? How do I make people create a document or whatever it might be? Now I've done that, I can start to look for some inspiration. Where is that? Well, inspiration, you can go to Dribbble, you can go to land-book.com, my favorite. There's Behance. Never go to Google Images because it sucks so bad. And inspiration is super, super important. From there, you can start wireframing, which is very, very simple. I use this, all right? I like to use this, and I also use this a lot. So I'm always carrying this, like this document. So let's have a look if I've done any designs in here. Okay, hold on. I can show you a really bad drawing of a dinosaur, which sucks, never mind. But I'm always carrying one of these right? So always carry one of these if you want to be a web designer, UX designer. Now that we've done the wireframing, we can start testing. So we can start even putting this in front of people or whatever. There is a really good web app. Hold on, I'm going to show it to you. It's called Pop App Prototype. Let me just put it onto the screen for you. It's by Marvel. All right. And I'll show it to you. I'm just going to put it here. So this here is really, really cool because what you can do is take a picture, right? You can take a picture of your designs and then turn it into a clickable app, which is so cool. And I remember I was drunk with some friends and yeah, we just started building an app for no reason. So Pop App, this is really good. It's called Pop App. There we go. So there you go, guys. You can do a search for that. It's on iOS and it's on Mac as well. Excellent. We're doing really well. We're doing really, really well. Now, once you've done your testing, you can start to create a little bit of a prototype. There's many ways to do that. I highly, highly recommend Figma. I really, really love Figma. And so I would say definitely do that. Okay, in the real, oh, great question. All right, here we go. In the real world, how many steps can we skip that the outcome is still good enough? That is a brilliant question. So that is a really, really good question. That's a really good question. So I'm going to, I'll draw it. Okay, so number one is, I'm going to say this. You can skip this. You can kind of skip that. You cannot skip that. You can definitely skip that. You cannot skip that. Listing screen elements, you can't skip that because you have to do it. Otherwise, you can't draw it. User interface, you can skip that because you can do it your way. You cannot skip wireframing. Testing, you can skip. Prototyping, you can skip. UI and design, you cannot skip. And user testing, you can skip. And that is my honest answer, right? Now, the reason I can say that is this. All right, let me show you. This, do you remember when we made those pictures of Spider-Man? The reason I said that is because in the real world, how many steps can you skip is based on time. If you have a lot of time, you can skip these things. For example, user research, you can know the answer. You don't have to ask anybody. I'm being serious, right? User tasks, you can just know what they are. Send an email, find a piece of, find some food or whatever it might be. So who's that one? Wiricha, thank you so much for that question. That is a really good question. So yeah, if anybody's got any more questions, well, let me know. All right, guys. Okay, so now what I'd like you to do is follow me over here. Let's put these back. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'd like you to do now is when the thing that annoys me about webinars is they never really show you what it looks like. They talk and they go, yes, you should think about the users. Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. Of course you should think about the users. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do this together. Let's be collaborative, right? What I would love for you to do is go onto Google, type into anything that you don't know, like focus group or surveys or heuristic evaluation, whatever it might be. Go to Google, find me a picture and put it in here, please. All right, guys. So for example, I'm going to do personas. Let's have a look at what personas. So persona, brilliant. Let's have a look. That one looks pretty good. Right click and copy and then paste. All right. And I'm just going to put it here. So ladies and gentlemen, join me and start putting some real pictures. Come on, Panda. I can see you not moving. Wiricha, just because you've asked a good question, don't get lazy on me. Anonymous. Who are you? Who's anonymous? Doing really, really, really well, guys. Well done. Nice heat maps. Yeah, good. That's a good one. Some nice heat maps. Very, very useful. All right. Iris, thank you for that. Anonymous, a heuristic evaluation. Yeah. Okay. Basically, a heuristic evaluation just means you say what's bad. It's good. Basically, you go through it and you say what's good or bad about something. Now keep going, because there's a lot here. You've got list screens. You've got all of the steps. So move all the way over. That's it. So start putting some more pictures down. Shade, let's have a look at you. What have you got there? Terms and taxonomies. Nice. Yeah, terms and taxonomies. That's interesting. You've actually got the from Facebook there, sorry, from WordPress there. That's still good. User flows, nice. Come on, we've got this. This is good. This is good. What's this one here? Prototypes. Nice. Thank you. Doing really well, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep going. Rindin, come on. Rindin, stop being lazy. I see you. I see you doing nothing. I see you. Tiwa, what are you doing? Just chilling out at the top there. Now, there's someone called Panatra. Panatra, she's trying to hide from me. I see you. I see you. I see you hiding. Come on, Phil. This is really good. Well done. Doing really well. Really, really well. Come on, we got this. We got this. Let's do some testing. Oh, wow, look at that. Look at that one. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, you beat me to it. You beat me to it. Guerrilla testing. Yep. Nice. Guerrilla testing just means asking people around you. You can do guerrilla testing by just with your friends. These are not needed. Well, these are not bad. These cameras. You don't really need to use something so complex anymore. You can see it's an old phone actually. You don't need anything like that. Guys, look at this. This is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant. Screen elements. Let me do that one. All right. That'll do. All right. Excellent. All right, guys. Good. Thank you so much. Well done, everybody. Look at that. Look at what we created together. Absolutely brilliant. Well done. Well done. So let's have a look. Let's go through it all together just quickly, just to finish off. And we can see brainstorming here. We've got some good old empathy maps there. We've got think and feel. What are people thinking and feeling? Some really, really nice ways of doing that. This is actually, I think, a website. I highly recommend one website called Flowmap. Flowmap is really good for doing empathy maps, for site maps. It's very good for personas. So that's a really good website. I'd recommend for that. For this one here, things like post-it notes, Figma Jam. Honestly, it's free and it's brilliant. I mean, look at it, how good it is tonight, right? Brilliant. Ideation is coming up with ideas based on preconceived concepts and things like that. Very useful. Thank you. Personas. To make a persona, this Extensio is pretty good. But again, I think Flowmap has got it as well. Is also really good. And another one is Figma. Figma can do it if you go to the community. You can get very nice designs. And what I'll do is I'm actually going to post this for you, project planning. So I'm just going to post a link for you in the chat. And this is a file that you can download for free. There we go. And that is going to take you to doing lots of personas. We've got some heat maps, or maybe that's eye tracking, which is very interesting. And eye tracking is not something everybody can do, but definitely heat maps. I recommend a tool called Mouseflow. Mouseflow is very good for doing things like that. We've got Google Analytics, very good for quantitative data. And then here you've got Google Trends, again, good for quantitative data, just to find out what people are searching for. All right, thank you, whoever put that there, good. Heuristic evaluation is, is it any good? Is it bad or whatever? Very easy. User flow, again, I think Whimsical is very good for this. Whimsical, can't spell that, and I'm sorry if I spelled it wrong. Or you've got Flowmap, which is also extremely good. All right. Okay. Right, good. User stories, user stories in here, very simple. Who they did, where to go, things like that. But user stories can be a lot longer as well, which is really good. There are different types of user stories: behavior driven, what they want to do; improvement, what they want to improve; integration. I'm not really sure what that is. I'd have to Google that myself. Excellent. Sitemaps. Again, I would really recommend Flowmap, which is very good for doing things like that. Listing screen and elements, I would use Google, Google Sheets. I would use Notion for that. Yeah, those are probably the best ones. User interface inspiration. One of my favorites is this one. It's called land-book.com. It's really good. Super good. Land-book.com is one of my favorites. And then lastly, we've got like wireframing, Figma, good old Figma, and testing and prototype, again, Figma. I've got a list of all of them here. Yeah, I mean, some really good ones. Sketch, not so much people use anymore. People do, but yeah. Zeppelin is very good to get to know. Figma, get to know. InVision, XD is very good to know. And then we've got UI design, all of these one, paper and pen. And then finally, user testing. Guys, there's UX. So let's summarize it. Number one is always try to imagine getting people to the next stage and putting lots of call to actions. Making sure that you're asking questions about what they want to achieve, what are they trying to do, and making sure that your app keeps moving them forward. UX design is about time, and it's about skills, and it's about resources. The less skills and resources you have, the less testing you do, the less planning that you do, and you just design. So ladies and gentlemen, I'd love to see if you've got any questions. So if you want to put any post-it notes around here, I'd love to answer some questions just for the last few minutes. I'm sorry that we've gone over, but I was having so much fun. So if you've got any post-it notes with any questions, I can probably answer about 2 or 3 questions. So you've got any questions for me? I'm someone who's been doing this about 20 years. How cool is this Figma Jam, man? That's a good question. I love that question. All right. Okay, good. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Okay, guys, stop. Just so I make sure I've got enough time to answer everyone's questions, right? Okay, I'm going to answer this one really easy. It's called UX Folio. I think it's UX Folio, something like that. Hold on. UX Folio. Yeah, I'm right. So it's this one. There you go. So yeah, UX Folio, I would recommend for Pachara there. I'd highly recommend using that website because when it asks you to put in information, it's asking you to put it in a UX Folio way. So it's asking you about your personas, it's asking you about your user task, your user analysis, your research. And so if you just follow the sections on their website, it's very, very good. This one by Toll, really good question. What do you do when the client does not value UX? Now, the thing is like, Toll, could you let me know in the message or anything, is that early in the project or late? Have they already got an app or not? If you want to tell me, you can unmute or you can write it. Early. Okay, good. Okay, so the best way to get them to appreciate it is, number one is show them examples of good and bad apps. So if you're doing an app about fashion, try and get them in front of a good one and a bad one, right? Show them, show them what a good one is versus a bad one is, but then ask them with the bad one, what is bad about it? Ask them. Now, when they start to say this and this and this, you then say, well, by UX, I can help solve this, 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 and this. All right, guys. So one thing that UX does is it's difficult for people to know what it is. Stay clear about KPIs and hour before and after. Yeah, I mean, that's very, very important. Very good. So like I said, is get them to look at good and bad examples, and that will help them. What are the core skills of UX? Right. The core skill is looking at what you're doing. One of the core skills is looking at apps and looking at websites and looking at how they work. What does a button look like and things like that? Now, I highly recommend, if you want to be a good UX, you have to have built what you design. Now, this is not what everybody agrees with, but I would highly recommend, if you want to be a web UX and things like that, jump on WordPress and build a website. Just go on Wix, go on Shutterstock, go on Squarespace, whatever it might be. Build it first, and then you'll know more about it. So number one core skill, be aware of UX around you. Number two, try and build something so you know how it's built. And number three is learn the processes I said today. Look at all of those processes that helps you discover more. Good. Any remote method suggestion except remote testing? Quantitative data testing. So you have Mouseflow, you have Google Analytics, you have Kissmetrics, you have Hotjar as well. So I would recommend those. I'd also recommend Usability Hub. Ability Hub. There we go. I recommend them as well. How to choose the best persona to fit with the project? Good question. So now, with personas, I recommend having no more than 3 personas. A persona is a type of person with a goal. That's what it is. It's not a type of person from history and things like that. It's a person with a goal. So when you're trying to get your personas, is make them first, but then test them. And how do you test them? You find people like this person and you ask them questions, surveys or social media, direct messages, get on a Zoom call and ask them, is this an issue? For example, you might say, oh, people are scared about this or scared about that. Maybe they're not scared. Maybe it's something else. Very good. All right, guys. And then last question for you. There's a last question because we're done. Do you want a 102? UX 102. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Do you want to do this again sometime? Okay, let me know. Thumb up or thumb down. It's cool. Oh, hey, cool. It's looking like a good thing. So I really, really hope you've enjoyed it. Ah, so happy. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so sorry it's 10:15 p.m., but I've had a great time. I really hope that you've had a great time. And yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Hope you've had a great time. I think next time we're going to have more beers involved in this. So guys, thank you so much. I hope to see you again. I'll post another event because it looks like you want to have 102. And what I was thinking is 102 is going to start to dig down into brainstorming. So if you want to learn for free how to do a lightning decision jam, join me next time. So guys, give me a wave or whatever, and I'll see you another time. Bye-bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.